Out now and trying to get an air conditioner. We heard they're sold out almost everywhere. Call in advance before you go and try to buy one.
Had a mom that chimed in on the weather blog this morning, and her son has a soccer game tomorrow, and she said, what do I do? Just make sure, I mean, if the kids are playing any sporting events, just make sure they hydrate, plenty of water. If the parents have tents, that would be a great thing. So when the kids aren't on the field, at least provide some shade for the kids, okay? And, you know, the greatest impact of this heat will be for the very young and the young at heart, the elderly, and we tell you this all the time. Let's take a look at some of our hot weather tips. When it comes to the young children, they are especially sensitive to the effects of these high temperatures, and that also applies to folks as they age. In fact, as you age, your body does not efficiently sense the intensity of the heat. So unfortunately, in the case of some of the older folks, they really don't always know how hot it is. Wear lightweight, light-colored clothing, drink plenty of water, seek relief in air-conditioned public buildings, as we've been telling you, libraries, the movie theater, shopping malls, great places to hang out under these conditions. Taking a movie during the hottest portion of the day. If you feel as though you are just really overwhelmed by the heat, cool off in a cool bath. Just soak in the water. That will bring down your body temp. Shade and water for the pets as well. Let's take a look at the situation at noontime today. We're looking at sunshine. We're just going to be baking in this afternoon. This thunderstorm complex across the upper Great Lakes area seems to be weakening now, and that whatever's left over, at least, should be passing to the north of our area this afternoon. We might see a little bit of high cloudiness out of that. That's about it. Super microcast is keeping the dry conditions intact over the area this afternoon. In addition to that, the sunshine. And there's not going to be a whole lot of wind to go around this afternoon. However, I still think that's going to change a little bit, at least by later tonight and getting into tomorrow. And that may make things a little bit more bearable, at least around the city of Buffalo and the surrounding suburbs, including Tonawanda, Amherst, Cheektowaga, down through West Seneca and Hamburg. But as we work through the nighttime, partly cloudy skies, a little bit of light fog and haze. We had the fog out there again in spots earlier this morning, especially in the river valleys, even outside of the urban city environment. As we get into tomorrow, the sunshine is back, and I think there's going to be at least some breeze off the lake, and that will tend to keep things a little bit more bearable around Buffalo. But you get further inland, even at the airport, temperatures are going to be hotter than they will be along the waterfront, and you get much further inland, northeast of the city. Maybe even some upper 90s tomorrow afternoon with heat indices up around 110. That's how the air is going to feel. On Friday, mostly to partly sunny skies. The temperatures start to drop a little bit for us on Friday, but still a pretty uncomfortable day. High temp forecast this afternoon from the computer. About 90 will do it at Grand Island, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, down through Cheektowaga and Lancaster. 89 at Batavia. Down the south of the city, we're looking at some upper 80s down here along the Pennsylvania line. Wellsville, Olean, back to the west at Jamestown. And similar readings even up toward Hamburg, Orchard Park, West Seneca, and the South Towns this afternoon. Right now, 84 at the airport, 87 at the Falls, a bit cooler, not by much at Jamestown with 82. And the dew points still into the oppressive range here at 70 degrees at Buffalo and Niagara Falls. Sunset time 8:47. Here's your forecast: sunny, hot, humid this afternoon near record heat. Record to beat 91 here in Buffalo. We may do it. 85 near the lakeshore this afternoon. 92 inland tonight. Partly cloudy, light fog and haze, very humid, becoming breezy in the metro by morning. 68 to 75. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, hot with oppressive humidity. Breezy in the metro, 85 by the lake, 95 in the interior, 98 out toward Orleans County. And then we'll wrap up the week with mostly to partly sunny skies on Friday. Hot, humid, 88 to 92 degrees. Looks like some scattered showers and storms are going to arrive beginning Sunday afternoon, a little bit more likely getting into Sunday night. And then the temperatures actually start to dip a little bit. 79 by next Tuesday. It's going to feel cool.
Think February. Think February.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Mike.